dash is out. There's 15 screws all around here. Some are down along here. There's some in the glove box too. You have to take those out. And then unplug your gauges from this plug from underneath. And then you'll pull your dash out, kind of tip it out, and then you got to take it this way to clear the steering column. Then it'll come right out. The glove box door has this arm. It goes through here. And there's a little stopper that goes in this hole. You have to take that stopper out. And then this, just pivot. You'll just turn it like that and it comes out. These bulbs just pull out of the sockets. You don't have to turn them or anything. Just pop those all out. There are two little tabs like this. Goes in here and there. You need to pry those out. To take the speedometer out, there's 5 screws all the way around this. You pull this off, and there's this little piece here. To get the actual gauge cluster out, you'll need to take this tab off, because this grips the dash itself. And then there's 4 of these. The one broke. These little tabs here, the metal dash goes in this slot and it holds this piece in. These tabs are very easy to break. So I took needle nose, gripped here, and then take a 3/8 socket to get these nuts loose. Here's the one I broke. Broke those tabs right off. You will need to take this little guy off for it to fit through the hole in the dash. And then this will pop right out. This chrome trim on the dash comes off pretty easy. It's just these little clips. And there's a bunch of these little screws that you gotta take off. There's the hole for the little clips. I got on the back side with a pair of needle nose and just squeezed them together and they popped right out. These little guys, there's 3 of them. Go in right here and one down here. You just, on the back side, squeeze those with some needle nose pliers and they'll come right out. And there it is. It's all stripped down, ready to be blasted, painted, put back together. I gotta tear apart this door next. Get all this stuff off. There's all these screws back here. Down there. One there. To tear this apart. To keep track of all these little screws, I like to put them back in where they came out of, if that's an option. A lot easier than putting them in a bag, marking the bag, losing the bag, get a hole in the bag, the screws fall out. This way they're with the part they came out of. This Impala symbol, it's just stuck on there, some glue. I thought there'd be pins or something, but nope, just glue.